You're tuned into Rasta Vibes Radio, keeping the roots alive. Oh, ja, 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 ja. Ooh, yeah. Rastafari life, Rastafari life. Deep in the night, I hear your call, guiding my steps. You hold it all. Mountains may rise, rivers may fall. Just love stands ever so tall. Jah, Jah, guide me, yeah. Through the fire, through the storm, Jah, Jah. The trumpet sounds, Rastafari's truth, it knows no bound. The roots are strong, the seeds are sown. With just light, we are never alone. Lift me up, oh Jah. Steady, keep me strong. Jah, Jah, guide me, yeah. take you where you go. Higher vibration, lift me high. Higher vibration, touch the sky. We're rising up, no need to try. Higher vibration, never die. Let the bassline carry you. Feel the organ, soft and true. Drums are calling, hearts renew. Unity in every you. I walk through the valley, shadows so deep. The mountains whisper, child, do not weep. Every step heavy, but my soul would not sleep. The river sang songs, the secrets to keep. Jalai, 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 it guides my way through the night, through the fight, to a brighter day. Oh Jah, hear me pray. On the path to Zion, I won't stray. The drums of the ancient, they call out my name. Each beat a reminder, we're all in this game. The stars above chanting, their voices the same. In the rhythm of life, I found where I came. I see the fire burning low, ashes rise where the winds blow. Jalai, 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 it guides my way through the night, through the fight, to a brighter day. Oh Jah, hear me pray. On the path to Zion, I won't stray. The earth is my altar, the sky my door. The roots are my wisdom, they anchor my hope. Every tear that I cry, it waters the storm, breaking chains of illusion. I'm never alone. Sunrise lifts the veil of night. Mountains dancing golden light. Hear the drums call, hear them calling you. Praise to Jah, oh Jah, RASTA. You're tuned into Rasta Vibes Radio, keeping the roots alive.
Stand with Jah by my side. The fire burns, the spirit flows. Through every heart the rhythm knows. Oh Jah, you set me free. Your light shines down, it's all I see. Oh Jah, you're calling me. Chains break, the soul awakes. Through love, through peace, it all remains. One heart, one mind, Jah's embrace. I walk the earth with no shoes on my feet. The sun's my guide, the drum is my heartbeat. Through the valleys low, where the rivers meet. Oh Jah, I call your name. Through the fire, through the flame. Roots of Zion grow so I see you clear in the laughter, in the fear. Roots of Zion grow so strong. Jah Rastafari, where I belong. Roots of Zion, deep and wide. Jah Rastafari, be my guide.
Golden rays kiss the mountain's face. Morning whispers in this holy place. The seed in the soil, now a tree of grace. Life blooms from the roots we embrace. Sacred leaves, oh, they heal my soul. Sacred leaves make the broken whole. Lift me higher, let the good vibes roll. Sacred leaves, oh, they make me whole. Clouds of wisdom rising in the air. A fragrant prayer answers everywhere. From the earth to the sky, we share a gift divine beyond compare. Burn slow, let the moment grow. Feel the rhythm in the wind that blows. Sacred leaves, oh, they heal my soul. Sacred leaves make the broken whole. Lift me higher, let the good vibes roll. Sacred leaves, oh, they make me whole. Roots grow deep where the fire stays low. The herb of the earth makes the spirit flow. Inhale the sky, feel the ground below. Lift me higher still. Let the silence fill. Herb of the earth, calling my name. Burning bright, it's a sacred flame. Take me higher to where love reigns. Ashes fall like whispers in the breeze. Every breath a prayer carried with ease. The smoke dances like ancient seas. Lift me higher still. Let the silence fade. Herb of the earth, say my name. Burning bright, it's a sacred flame. Take me higher to where love in the haze I see the light, guided by stars in the velvet night. The herb's wisdom shows what's right. In the herb's eye. Deep in the hills where the rivers run free, smoke rises high like a prayer from a tree. The herb speaks wisdom, it sets my soul free. In the sacred circle we gather tonight. Nyabingi drums keeping time so tight. Oh, herb of the ancients, carry me high. Lift me to Zion where spirits don't die. Oh, herb of the ancients, open my eyes. A leaf of green, the earth's holy gift. The fire lights the darkness, spirits uplift. A connection to Jah through every inhale shift. Roots grow deep and the rhythm is strong. One drop heartbeat where we all belong. Oh, herb of the ancients, carry me high. Lift me to Zion where spirits don't die. Oh, herb of the ancients, open my eyes. The sun is rising on a hill so high. Golden rays piercing through the sky. The earth is singing, hear the rivers cry. Awaken now, don't let it pass you by. Awaken and arise, Jah wisdom in your eyes. Feel the truth, feel the light, let your soul take time to sleep. Lift your mind from the shadows deep. Just love is wide. Just love will keep. Hear the drum beat, it's the heart of the land. Feel the rhythm, take just guiding hand. Awaken and arise, draw wisdom in your eyes. Feel the truth, feel the light, let your soul take flight. Awaken and arise, draw wisdom in your eyes. Break the chains, find your way, step into the day. Roots grow strong in the soil of faith. Branches stretch to a higher state. Every leaf a prayer, every fruit a taste of the blessings that cannot wait.